In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to replace this hood prop on your Subaru Forester. It's located on the driver's side under the hood. When doing this procedure, you're going to want to use a hood prop or something to keep the hood open. All right, so the first thing you want to do is use a small screwdriver, flathead, put it in there, pull that out. As you do that, you can leave it in there. Do the same for the top and then remove it from the vehicle. So you're going to do the opposite for the install. You're going to place the new hood prop on the ball itself, and instead of pulling off the prop, you're going to push it on. So you're going to pull this. You're going to use your screwdriver. The new part is always a little bit more stiff. Then let that snap back into place. And what that does is it's kind of like a ball joint, and it holds it in place. Then you're going to line up your other end to the other ball. At this point, you're going to have to push up on the hood a little bit, feed it into the ball joint. You're going to take your screwdriver, pull that out a little bit, push in, and let it snap in. Before you let go of the hood, make sure that your piston is functioning correctly by just keeping a hand on it, making sure it stays. So let's see. Good. Awesome, we're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.